Welcome back to BioClass YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to explain you what is incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance is a type of non-Mendelian inheritance, and it was discovered by Carl Correns in Mirabilis jalapa or 4 o'clock plant. Let us see what is the meaning of the term incomplete dominance. Simply, it's the intermediate expression of a character in heterozygous condition. In Mendelian inheritance, when two dissimilar factors for a character is present, one factor completely dominates over the other and expresses character. Here, when two dissimilar factors is present, an intermediate character is expressed. This is called incomplete dominance. In incomplete dominance, some traits of F1 phenotype is intermediate between those of parental trait. Okay. In incomplete dominance, the genes of an allelomorphic pair are not expressed as dominant and recessive, but it expresses themselves partially when present together in the hybrid. Let us see some examples. For example, the flower color in 4 o'clock plant Mirabilis jalapa. Another example is the flower color in snapdragon or dog flower Antirinum majus. Incomplete dominance is the intermediate expression of a character in heterozygous condition. An example for incomplete dominance is flower color in Mirabilis jalapa and flower color in Antirinum majus. Okay. In 4 o'clock plant, when we cross a red flowered 4 o'clock plant with a white flowered 4 o'clock plant, we will get a pink flowered plant. This is red flowered 4 o'clock plant Mirabilis jalapa, and this is white flowered 4 o'clock plant. When we cross red with white in the F1, we will get this type, pink Mirabilis jalapa. This is a pink flowered Mirabilis jalapa or 4 o'clock plant. Okay. The cross is represented here. See, red flowered Mirabilis jalapa, genotype is capital R is crossed with white flowered Mirabilis jalapa, that is genotype small r. Then in the F1 we will get capital R small r, that is pink flowered one. This pink flowered plant is then self-pollinated and we will get F2. In the F2 we will get red, pink and white flowered plants in the ratio 1:2:1. See the representation of cross here. The parent is red flowered plant and white flowered plant. Then genotype is capital R for red flowered plant and small r for white flowered plant. Then we will get gamete capital R from red flowered plant and small r gamete from white flowered plant. In the F1, all the plants were pink flowered instead of red. This is due to incomplete dominance or intermediate expression of character in heterozygous condition. Here capital R small r is pink instead of red. Okay. Then when F1 is self-pollinated, the gametes of F1 is shown here, capital R, small r, capital R and small r, and the cross, the F2 ratio is represented in the Punnett square or checkerboard here. See, first row and first column represent the gametes and all other is a deviation from normal Mendelian inheritance. Therefore, it is non-Mendelian inheritance. Okay, it was discovered by Carl Correns in Mirabilis jalapa. In incomplete dominance, both phenotypic and genotypic ratio is same. Phenotypic ratio is 1:2:1. 1 red is to 2 pink is to 1 white. And genotypic ratio is again 1:2:1. 1 capital R 2 capital small r and 1 small r small r. Okay, this is about incomplete dominant. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Stay safe. Please subscribe my channel. Bye.